Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy, delicious and healthy salad. It's a Greek salad. This is the salad that you saw in my last video with Lebanese chicken. If you haven't watched that video yet, you should definitely check it out. The link is going to be down below. If you want, you can check it out. Both make a really easy, delicious and healthy option for dinner or lunch. So I hope you enjoy them. The preparation time for the salad is very simple. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. For this recipe we need 1 head of green leaf lettuce. You can use romaine lettuce or iceberg lettuce. We also need 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper, half a red onion, 1 cup of black olives, 1 cup of small tomatoes. I'm using grape tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes if you prefer so. We also need 1 English cucumber and 1 cup of feta cheese, plus a little extra for garnish. To make the dressing we need 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice and zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley finely chopped, half a tablespoon of dry oregano, salt to taste, ground black pepper to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. The garlic is optional. Let's get started. We're going to start by making the dressing. In a small bowl or container, we're going to combine all the ingredients for the dressing. So I'm going to mix in 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with the juice and zest of 1 lemon. And now we're going to season this with the fresh parsley and half a tablespoon of dry oregano and salt and black pepper to taste. I added about 1/4 tablespoon of each. But remember, the salt and pepper are always to taste, so feel free to add more or less if you want to. And I'm also going to mix in 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. The garlic is optional, you can leave it out if you prefer so. Now stir everything together until well combined. Then taste the flavor and add more salt and pepper if needed. And once you're happy with the flavor, the dressing is done, so refrigerate it until you're ready to use it. To make the salad, wash and disinfect all the vegetables. Then dry them really well. You can dry them with paper towels or with a clean kitchen towel. Now we're going to slice or chop all the vegetables. So I'm going to start with the lettuce. I'm going to cut it into small chunks. You can cut the lettuce any size you want. And then I'm going to place it in a large bowl. And now we will also slice the bell peppers. First, remove the veins, the seeds and the stems from the peppers. And then I'm going to cut them into thin strips, but if you prefer you can cut them into large chunks or cubes. My bell pepper strips are about 2 inches long and about 1/4 inch thick, but you can make them any size you want. Now place the bell peppers in the same bowl with the lettuce, then in the same bowl add in the black olives, and now we're going to slice the rest of the ingredients. So now we're going to slice the cucumber. I'm only using half an English cucumber. And my slices are about 1/4 inch thick. Remember, you can make them thinner or thicker if you prefer so. And now we're going to slice half a red onion. My slices are very thin. Remember, you can cut the onion into chunks or cubes if you prefer so. And then I'm going to cut the tomatoes in half. Remember, I'm using grape tomatoes, so they are already small. If you're using larger tomatoes, you can cut them in quarters or in chunks. So now we're going to add all these ingredients into the bowl with the lettuce. So adding the tomatoes, the onion and the cucumber slices. Then toss everything together. And now adding the feta cheese. Give the salad one last toss. And that's about it. The salad is ready and the dressing is also ready, so you're ready to serve the salad. I like to add the dressing just before serving the salad or individually to my plate because I like the lettuce to stay nice and crisp and fresh, and once you add in the dressing, the acid in the dressing tends to soften the lettuce a bit. So for this salad, I recommend that you add the dressing just before you serve the salad, or just place it in a different container and then let your guests dress their salad whenever they are ready to eat it. And that's about it. This is how the salad looks. It looks beautiful and colorful and is very refreshing and delicious and very nutritious as well. It's perfect for this summer. You can eat it all by itself, and it also makes an excellent side dish for any kind of chicken or whatever meat you like. This salad is the perfect side dish for the Lebanese style chicken that I made on my last video. If you haven't watched it yet, the link is going to be down below. You can check it out if you want to. And that's it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.